Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work permit extension without an LMIA. First, determine if your current situation qualifies for an LMIA exemption. This often depends on your job type, employer, or international agreements like NAFTA or CETA. Gather all necessary documents, including your current work permit and passport. Ensure your application is complete to avoid delays. Several categories allow for LMIA-exempt work permit extensions. These include intracompany transfers, where you move within the same company to a Canadian branch. Professionals under trade agreements, like those covered by CUSMA, also often qualify. Additionally, spouses of highly skilled workers or international students might be eligible for an open work permit without an LMIA. Check the specific criteria for each exemption. To apply, you'll need to complete the online application form for a work permit extension. Ensure all sections are filled out correctly. You must include supporting documents such as your job offer, proof of your qualifications, and any other relevant information demonstrating your eligibility for an LMIA exemption. Don't forget to pay the processing fees, which are currently $155 for the work permit itself. Remember to apply for your extension well in advance of your current permit's expiration date to maintain your legal status in Canada. Submitting your application early can prevent complications. If your situation is complex or you're unsure about your eligibility, consider consulting an immigration professional for personalized guidance. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out the link in the description for Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.